Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to be learning about TVP, textured vegetable protein. This is my first time using this stuff. It is interesting. It dried, it kind of looks like croutons, and there's like lots of different sizes that you can get depending upon what you want to use it for. Last night I actually made some and I used it for taco meat. I ended up having to take it out of the pot and chop it up because the pieces were a little big and it didn't really smash up like hamburger does. But it was really, really good. So next time I'm probably gonna buy the stuff that's closer to hamburger meat texture and see how that works. But today I'm gonna show you how to rehydrate, and I'm also gonna show you some little nuggets that I made last night. We're gonna see how they came out. All right, we are gonna start with 1 cup of the textured vegetable protein into the pot, and then an equal amount of this homemade vegetable stock. 1 cup. Now this is just gonna rehydrate it. It's not gonna cook it all the way. So once you've rehydrated it, then you can use it for any other recipe that you'd like. We're gonna start on a high heat until it starts to boil. And then we're gonna turn it down and let it all absorb in. Now there are other ways to do this. I have seen recipes say to boil your water and then just pour it over the vegetable protein separate and not to cook it and let it set for 15 minutes. I have not tried that technique yet. This is the way that I did the nuggets from yesterday, so we're just gonna stick with this method and see how it comes out. All right, we got it to a boil. We're gonna reduce this down to a medium heat. And we're gonna let all of that liquid absorb into the vegetable protein. You can also use water. I prefer to use the vegetable stock. That way you're getting all the flavor and nutrients from the vegetable stock. All right, and while we are waiting on this to absorb, I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my oil, and we're gonna fry some of these bad boys up from yesterday and see how they came out. All right, you can see how these have puffed up a little bit. And also most of that water is pretty much gone. I'll give this another minute. We're gonna go ahead and pull these guys off. Let's check our oil. I think we are hot over here. Maybe just another minute on that too. But I will show you my little popcorn chicken nuggets. This is what I made from the textured vegetable protein yesterday. And if these come out good, I'm gonna show you how I battered these up. All right, we're gonna go ahead and shut this off. You can see these are ready to go. I don't know if you can see that texture on there, but it looks really similar to like little chicken pieces. However, if you eat it at this point, it is a little chewy. So I do recommend using it in a recipe and cooking it a little farther unless that's what you're going for. I did leave these at this point because we're gonna fry them again. So we'll see how this comes out. I'm gonna go ahead and pop this in the fridge, let it cool, and we're gonna move on to these. All right, I'm gonna drop a little one in here, see if it's ready to go. All right, we're good. Put some of these guys in there. Let's see how they fry up. I'm not gonna do too many of them. I just want to see if they come out good. Put that on about a medium-high heat. There we go. Since these were frozen, I probably will tempt them just to see, even though they're tiny. I know they're going to be cooked all the way, but they look like they're going to cook pretty quick. So we'll take out the biggest one, see where we're at. Just want to give me an idea. We are, oh, that's not bad. About 140. Give them another minute and we'll go ahead and pull them out. That was probably less than a minute of cooking time. Maybe right at about a minute. Alright. Yeah. Looks like popcorn chicken. See if it tastes like popcorn chicken. Yeah, they look nice. Well, we'll see how they taste. Alright, we got our little vegetable protein nuggets here. I'm gonna see how they look on the inside. Ah, looks a lot like chicken. Interesting. I'm gonna try it in the barbecue. Wow. It actually tastes like popcorn chicken. That's pretty good. I am actually surprised. Alright, so since this came out so good, I'm gonna go ahead and show you how I did the breading. It's actually the exact same recipe that I did for the fried cauliflower videos. One of my first videos. I don't know if you saw that. I will put it at the end of this video. Also, the recipe for this is going to be in the description. And I will go ahead and show you how to do that now. Alright, so we had a bit of a mishap. Our battery died and lost all of the wet and dry batter footage. So I'm just going to show this to you. We got our wet batter here. We got our panko dry batter here. It is a half a cup of flour, a quarter cup of cornstarch, half a teaspoon of baking powder, quarter teaspoon of salt, half a cup of water, a half a tablespoon of hot sauce, and then about a half a box of the panko breadcrumbs. You can also use regular breadcrumbs or whatever you prefer. Basically, you just put all of the ingredients in a bowl and whip it up, and then you have your breadcrumbs and your seasoning blend in another bowl. So this is the finished product of that process. We have our nuggets, and we're going to stick these in the freezer. This is going to be the frozen finished product on that. As you can see, these are like perfect little popcorn chicken nuggets. They froze up really nice and the breading is staying on them very well. And then this is the finished cooked version of the same nuggets, and they are delicious. They taste just like popcorn chicken. And I'm not just saying that. I say if you want to go for more of a chicken flavor, the textured vegetable protein so far is the best thing that I've found. I do still really like the fried cauliflower that I did in a previous video. However, if you want that chicken nugget, these are really good. They do have versions that are a little bigger, that are actual nugget size, so we may do this video again in the future with a different size, and we'll see how that goes. So, if you like what you see and you want to see more, please subscribe. If you want to get notifications, hit the bell button. Please share, tell your friends, let me know if you have any ideas, comments, or concerns. Please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and enjoy!